People often wonder, do solar panels actually work in the winter? Let's have a look. As you know, in high-latitude countries like Canada, the amount of sunlight we get changes with the seasons. In the summer, our northern hemisphere is tilting towards the sun, so we have nice long warm days. In the winter, it's just the opposite, with our area tilting away from the sun, so we have to put up with those short, nasty cold days. Does northern Alberta get enough sunlight for solar panels? The simple answer is yes. The days may be shorter with less light, but there is more than enough to produce electricity. There is the added advantage that solar panels actually work more efficiently when it's cold. Solar panels make the most energy when they face directly into the sun. In the winter, the sun is lower in the sky, so it makes sense to set the angle of the panels higher. In the summer, with the sun in a much higher position, the panels need to be leaned back at a lower angle to catch the sunlight. Let's look at a real-life example. Just outside Drayton Valley, Alberta, is the Rotary Pembina Nordic Outdoor Education Centre, located in Eagle Point Provincial Park. This building uses a solar array to power part of the facility and is closely monitored using circuit meter software. In the winter, the array was set to 70 degrees, but this angle did not catch the light very well in the summer. So in August, they lowered the solar panels to 40 degrees. The circuit meter software detected an instant 10% increase in the electricity produced. Next, we'll travel further north to Grand Prairie, where the Northern Alberta Institute of Technology has built a series of solar panels on top of the City Hall to study how winter affects solar energy. For 5 years, energy readings were taken on 2 sets of panels that were set at 6 different angles commonly found on most rooftops. They found that the angle of the panels made a significant difference. The one tilted to 50 degrees produced the most electricity, which is the ideal stationary angle for this area's high latitude. The study also looked at the effect of snow. One set of panels was allowed to accumulate snow while the other set was brushed off regularly. The panels with the snow showed only a 3% energy loss over 1 year. This is a lot less than people expected, and again proved solar panels are useful in winter. Now let's look at the northernmost part of Alberta. Is collecting solar energy still worthwhile?
Hi, my name is Randall Paris. I'm a renewable energy project manager for Green Planet Energy Analytics. We're standing here in Fort Chipewyan, Alberta, and it's the middle of winter, and we're standing at the solar farm that was installed last year. One of the main questions we get is how does winter affect the solar production? So you will get lower production, of course, because you have less sun hours during the day. But as you can see, the snow sloughs off naturally over time. These panels here, it's almost entirely sloughed off, and they'll be back to full production in no time.
Traveling outside of Fort Chipewyan, you can find residents who have embraced solar energy in the winter, even if the solar panel components can only be brought in by snowmobile. These remote areas have no access to electricity other than small, noisy gasoline generators. For this reason, Green Planet Energy Analytics designed these innovative solar systems, which consist of 4 solar modules and 4 batteries. The solar system is assembled on site and will provide enough electricity to power lights, small appliances, and recharge batteries for power tools and other equipment. This means the residents not only avoid hauling extra fuel, but they save up to $30 worth of gasoline per day and know they are reducing their carbon footprint. As you have seen, even in the far north of our province, solar energy is an important part of our sustainable future, even in the winter.